Hello, my name is Eddie Eaton, and I'd like to take this opportunity to share with you the story of West Pittman Baptist Church. The story begins almost 79 years ago in 1936. Many of the people of our community saw a great need for a new church. The nearest church at the time was a distance of some 6 miles, which made it difficult for many of the families to attend. The primary mode of transportation of that day was mule and wagon, or of course, walking. Since many of the people did not own a mule or a wagon, walking was the only other option for them. The name of the first church at that time was called Pittman Creek. But in July of 1938, the name of the church officially changed to West Pittman Baptist Church. I entered the story of West Pittman in May of 2005 when I was called to be the pastor. Since then, the church has experienced tremendous growth, and we truly began to see the mighty hand of God in our midst. The current sanctuary that I'm standing in today was remodeled in 2009, and in October of 2011, we broke ground on a new educational building to accommodate those who had been added to the church. We are a church that believes in leadership, vision, and goals. One of the greatest goals was to become a true Great Commission church. To make this possible, we developed a purpose statement and a mission statement that are one and the same. It is a threefold process which begins with leading people into a loving relationship with Jesus Christ through our worship services. We then seek to lead each person to love one another and others through Bible study groups and fellowship. Lastly, we move people to serve the world through ministry groups that reach out and meet the needs of people. To accomplish this, we have made tremendous efforts to minister to those right here in our own community. We have utilized the mobile dental clinic from our state convention to provide free dental care for a week at a time. We have done community projects like our annual Easter egg extravaganza, our community fish fry, our wild game dinner, and our ladies' tea parties. We have also begun a new ministry called Manna Packs. This ministry is done through the local schools to provide a backpack with food items for the weekend to help those children who do not have enough to eat. You see, this is our Jerusalem. We've also made a priority of doing mission trips that have taken our people to 10 different states, from Mississippi to Wisconsin, all the way up to Maine. This is our Judea and our Samaria. But we didn't stop there. To truly become a Great Commission church, we adopted an unreached people group in the mountains of Chivigna, Peru. And over the last 7 years, we have taken many trips to that beautiful place. We are also heavily invested in a ministry called Operation Christmas Child. Our church has increased our annual goal each year. And last year, our church packed 679 shoe boxes, or as we like to refer to them as gospel opportunities. This is our uttermost part of the world. In fact, this church last year gave almost 24% of every dollar taken in to missions and missions causes. This year we are addressing a great problem for any church, and that is sufficient space. We will be breaking ground on a new sanctuary within the next month, right here next to our existing sanctuary. This new addition to our facilities will allow us to continue to grow as a church, both physically and spiritually. Truly, God is blessing and moving through the members of West Pittman Baptist Church. In closing, I'd like to take this opportunity to invite you to come and visit this great church and see for yourself what I call a uniquely unusual Great Commission church. A church who loves God, who loves others, and who serves the world. I want to thank you today for listening to this video. And until we can meet face to face, may God continue to bless you in all that you do.